Welcome to MagickFunnels. You're going to be able to start setting up your funnels very, very quickly. We've made it as easy as possible for anyone to pick this up and get creating instantly. Now you'll see here on the left hand side, you've got the menu and there's a variety of different sections, which include our training tab. And here you're going to find loads of tutorial videos that are going to show you exactly how to set up these funnels, make sure they're correct, and all the other congruent supplementary things that you need to know. You've also got done for you funnels and new campaigns, so you've got the ability to utilize the campaigns that we've actually created for you and a variety of different categories, loads of different products you're going to be able to promote, as well as utilizing the new campaign feature where you're going to be able to create funnels from scratch for any products you want. So that's really important. We've added the ClickBank database here so you can search for different products as well. Okay. Now, if you have any problems, you're going to be able to go to the training section and there are all the videos that we just mentioned. But if you have any other problems, scroll right to the bottom. There is the help button here, and this is where you're going to be able to access us for any additional help. But in the first instance, remember to go to training because it's going to show you exactly what you need to do. And the steps are very, very simple, particularly if we're utilizing and done for your campaigns, because everything's instantly created. You just need to connect it up and make sure that you've got your own affiliate links so you get the commissions. That is incredibly important. So good luck using MagickFunnels, and we'll see you in the next video.